So I'm here with Brian from Kitchen Studio Palmerston North. He's one of the designers here. Brian, you're quite a fan of the LED lighting that we do, specifically the 86 and the SCH4 from Domus Line. Do you want to just tell us a little bit about why you like it so much and why it works well for you guys?
Yeah, thanks Jonathan. I'm a big fan because it's easy installation, first of all. That's one of the major points of selling it to a customer, because the tracking's gone. You don't have to worry about the colour track, the size of the track. It just goes straight into the under panel. So basically, most kitchens I sell with wall cabinets, this goes underneath. It's also a great safety feature for me in a kitchen, is to have good lighting. So easy installation, can go around a corner as well. So yeah, love it. Price is pretty good too. So yeah, just about every kitchen I sell, one of these goes in now.